Sabres are nothing to snarl at. Let's check these beauts out right now. When you first step inside a Sabre, you'll be looking right into the kitchen. So let's start right there. Sleek, modern, it's a beaut, Clark. You're going to get a massive 12-volt fridge with French doors, a 30-inch microwave, range with glass cover, and a pots and pans drawer. The sink is undermounted into a solid surface countertop and is a residential style farmhouse sink with high-rise pull-down faucet with a spring spout. For ambiance and functionality, you'll get a variable speed ceiling fan, ambient accent lighting, and those appliances come with black opal accents. Beautiful. And yeah, there's more in the kitchen too. Most Sabres will also have a lighted pantry with motion sensors. Before we head down to the living area, let's look down for a moment. Linoleum flooring. It's nice, residential, and easy to clean. For the living area, which depending on floor plan, will be right with the kitchen, or it'll be up front, and you'll love the exclusive MK Design home furniture collection, including a trifold sofa or sofas, zebra shades, plus the dinette bench chair combo with storage and or theater seats. Entertainment center with a fireplace and a residential size smart TV comes standard. Entertainment also includes Bluetooth audio module with separate speaker zones. Not to mention a dual high output charging ports. You're going to find those throughout. And look at these, gaslight decorative lighting, very cool. Did I say cool? Yeah, let's talk about the AC as a matter of fact. Every Sabre is going to get a 15,000 BTU AC with a racetrack duct system and a thermostat. Let's sally forth into the Sabre bedroom. You're going to get a king-size bed with an oversized slide. Every Sabre bedroom comes with ample closet space, and most will have a separated washer and dryer prep area. Some will have the washer dryer prep in the bathroom, and voila, we are now in the bathroom. What separates the bathroom from the bedroom in most models is going to be a very luxurious Craftsman style barn door. Love sliding doors? When the bathroom, you'll find a large shower with skylight, porcelain toilet, and some models will have dual vanity sinks undermounted into a solid countertop. Makes cleanup a lot easier. As for hot water, a Sabre comes with a tankless water heater, so you'll get your hot water faster. Let's check out the Sabre exterior. Now, as we step outside through the black glass entry door with backlit entry via the easy-to-use steps, you may ask yourself, there's a lot of movement going on here. I got slide outs, I got this large adjustable power awning with LED light. You've got tanks to think about too. Is there one single place to work and see all of this? Well, yeah, there is. It's called the One Control Command Center with Bluetooth that you can easily run the app on your cell phone. Let me tell you, it makes it extremely convenient. Okay, awning has been noted. Now let's marvel at something that all Sabre models have, either under the awning or close to it. I'm talking about that outside kitchen, complete with a beverage fridge and a sink. I can't tell you how important a sink is out there. LP Quick Connects close by so you can fire up your grill ASAP. And of course, you don't want to get cooking without getting camp ready first. A Sabre is quick to camp as it comes with the Generation 3 auto leveling system to get level at the push of a button. For hookups, there's the universal docking station that also includes the outside shower with hot and cold water and your black tank flush. As we kind of move around the Sabre, note those pretty wheels. They're aluminum, plus the tires, they come with the tire pressure monitoring system, or TPMS. So you'll know if one happens to get a little low on air. So what else about the Sabre exterior? Yes, there is more. We got entertainment. Heck yeah, we got entertainment. You're gonna get an exterior TV hookup with coax connection, and for some interwebs assistance, how about cellular Wi-Fi prep? You'll also be prepped for a rear ladder as well as a backup camera. One more thing, when you look into the sky on most days, you can spot some energy. as in solar energy. Well, every Sabre comes with a roof-mounted 100-watt solar panel with a 12-volt battery, voltage meter, and 30-amp controller. Make the sun do some work for you and help extend that battery life. Is it floor plan time? Well, I'm almost there. And campground fun, frankly, begins with the secure knowledge that your fifth wheel is solidly constructed. A Forest River Sabre has high-quality construction that includes a water-repelling PVC roof membrane, vacuum bond laminated sidewalls with a thermofoil protective barrier, and a heated forced air underbelly with enclosed gate valves. You'll find the front cap and roof also have a thermofoil protective barrier. On the front, you'll get a high-gloss gel coat front cap with LED lighting. Inside, note the cabinetry. It's solid with real wood lumber core. Now it's time for the floor plans. Before I hit some select Sabres, let's talk a little bit about some specs. Sabres are full profile fifth wheels, AKA the big fifth wheels. Their average unloaded weight hovers around 12,000 pounds, and for length, they measure out to 42 plus feet. Ergo, you're gonna need a big truck for your tow vehicle. It's a must. Let's check out some family-friendly bunkhouse models first. The Sabre 36 BHQ is a rear living layout with a bunkhouse core. You'll find massive opposing slide outs in the living area and a bunk loft above the center room with the room containing a trifold sofa and a slide. Up front, the king bed is in a slide out, as well as there's a full wardrobe closet right there in the front cab. The 36 BHQ can easily sleep 8. The 38 DBQ has a private rear bunk room, complete with a loft area with twin bunks and its own full bath with direct exterior access. Pretty awesome, right? I love that little layout. This living area has opposing slide outs, and the king bed sits in its own slide out, plus you get an outside kitchen. The 38 DBQ can sleep 9. The hybrid Sabre 37 FLL has an impressive front living area with opposing trifold sofas in slide outs, plus a massive entertainment center. The huge kitchen separates the front from the rear bedroom with an amazing bunk loft above it, complete with storage capability. Adding it up, the 37 FLL can sleep up to 9. A true front living floor plan with a capacity for 6 snoozers or 8 if you're inclined to crash in a theater seat, the 37 FLH has a large front living area with opposing trifold sofas. In the back, that's where the 37 FLH shines. You're gonna find a massive master bedroom suite with a bathroom complete with dual vanity sinks. The bathroom is separated from the bedroom with that gorgeous barn door that I mentioned earlier. For guests, a half bath is situated right beside the kitchen pantry. If you want to sink your teeth into the RV life, try it with a Sabre. To find yours, head on over to rv.campingworld.com.